Did you and your sibling grow up in the same house, but somehow you always felt like that you had to compete? Comparison often begins long before we realize it through small comments, different expectations, or simply watching each other achievements. Slowly, it can make you feel like you have to prove your worth instead of simply being yourself. The truth is, siblings may share the same home, but never the exact same childhood or experiences. Instead of comparing your chapter to your sibling, appreciate that you both are writing the different stories. Sibling isn't your comparison, but remember that they are someone who has been walking in different path beside you all along.